if you say, if emotional response, you make you more reactive, defensive, and they just take so much mental energy, particularly churn, that rumination where you're thinking things over and over and over again. And then the physiological stress symptoms, that's just exhausting. And chronic stress can lead to chronic illnesses as well. It lowers your immune system. It drags your energy down. You're less able to focus. And then the behaviors like the procrastination, the perfectionism, they're just the opposite of what you want to do when you want to be productive, when you want to operate at your best. You're not able to be so creative because you're bogged down and your time is such, so it takes up all of this time and energy and attention in yourself that you're not fully present with the people around you because it's so distracting.